Hello, welcome students to our second standard maths online lecture. How are you all students? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay students, today also we are going to start with our maths textbook. We will see the new topic and new lesson. All of you take out your maths textbook and open page number 43, 44 and 45. Today we will see from this page number. First of all, open page number 43. Okay, so the topic is cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Okay students, what is the meaning of cardinal numbers? Cardinal numbers means when we are counting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and more. So this is called the cardinal numbers. And ordinal numbers, the numbers which are counting in order like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10. This is called the ordinal numbers. Now here is a poem about cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. So you have to read this poem and you have to understand. Okay. Now see the page number 44. Here in the picture above, how many children are taking a part in a running race? So see here students, there are some children's here in this picture. So we have to give the answers of these questions. In this picture there are some children taking a part in running race. Now see, first question is asked, how many children are there? So count there, how many children are there? There are 5 children. So it is written as 5 is a cardinal number. When we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is called a cardinal number. What was Saurabh's rank in a race? So the names are given to the children. So Saurabh's rank, see there, Saurabh is 5th. When we are saying the Saurabh rank, we are saying like this 5th. Okay, this is called ordinal number. Okay. Then the next question is, who came first? First came Nikhil. So you have to write there Nikhil. Nikhil came first. Who was fourth? Fourth is Shakil. So you have to write there Shakil. So students, while there is a questions here, we can't say for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for ordinal numbers. So we have to say फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ फॉर ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. ओके, जब हम लोग काउंट करते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4 तो उसे हम कार्डिनल नंबर कहते हैं, और जब फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ काउंट करते हैं तो उसे ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन विच कैरियज इज द पीकॉक? नाउ देर इज अ ट्रेन हियर. सी, दिस इज अ ट्रेन. So in this train, in which carriage is the peacock? Peacock कौन से carriage में है? See a third carriage. So write here third. Okay. Then who is the first coach? First coach में कौन है? Rat. So write here rat. In which bogie is the rabbit? Rabbit is in the second coach. Then who is in the seventh wagon? Seventh wagon is a cat. So write here cat. At which place is the lion's coach? Lion's coach is in the fourth. Okay, so write here fourth. Okay, while writing or saying, we can't say like that the lion is fourth. So we are going to say fourth. Okay, at which place is the coach next to that of camel? So camel के बाजू में कौन सा कोच है? नेक्स्ट कौन सा कोच है? सिक्स्थ कोच है. ओके, व्हाट इज द ऑर्डिनल नंबर ऑफ द कैरेज बिफोर द एलिफेंट्स कैरेज? बिफोर एलिफेंट कैरेज विच इज द ऑर्डिनल नंबर फिफ्थ. ओके students, now 1, 2, 3, 4 are cardinal numbers. First, second, third ordinal numbers. See that they are used properly. लेकिन जब हम लोग कोई सेंटेंस पढ़ते हैं तो हम उस सेंटेंस के हिसाब से हमें वहाँ पे आंसर देना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पेज. Here, there is a girl named Sania watering the flowering plants in the garden. Now see, there are some flowers: rose, periwinkle, marigold, jasmine, sunflower. They are in line, in sequence. Okay, look at the picture above and write the proper word in the blank space. Now, the first plant in order from Sania is rose. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू राइट देयर रोज़. आपको यहाँ पे रोज़ लिखना है. रोज़ कौन से नंबर पे है? फर्स्ट प्लांट. ओके, देन सॉरी, द jasmine is fourth in order for Sania. Jasmine is dash in order for Sania, fourth. So you have to write there fourth. See here, jasmine कहाँ पे है? फोर्थ नंबर पे. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. Okay, the total number of plant is 5. So write here 5. How many plants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So students, see how it is asked. First plant. So first plant is rose. Then the sentence we have to read, and after that we have to give the answer. First we have to see how the question is asked. पहले हमें देखना है क्वेश्चन हमें कैसे पूछा है, तो उस हिसाब से हमें आंसर लिखना है. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स इज 5. सो हियर यू हैव टू ओनली राइट द कार्डिनल नंबर. नाउ सी पेज नंबर 33 एंड 34 ऑफ दिस बुक एंड टेल विच इज़ द 5th मंथ इन द इंग्लिश कैलेंडर फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर. फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर हमें पूछा है 5th मंथ कौन सा है इंग्लिश कैलेंडर में. तो मे, दैट इज जनवरी, फेब्रुवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल एंड May. May is the 5th month. Okay, counting from the start of the Indian calendar year, which is the 8th month. 8th month कौन सा है? कार्तिक. From Indian calendar. So you have to write that Kartik. Now see the second question. Write the cardinal numbers. Now students, there is a fish tank. So you have to write the answers over there. How many purple fish are there in the tank? There are only one purple fish. So only you have to give the cardinal numbers. How many red fish? 4 red fish. How many yellow fish? 3 yellow fish. Okay. So you have to write only cardinal numbers. You have to count the fish and you have to give the answer. Sorry students for some disturbances coming. Sorry for that. Now students, the number we use to count things are cardinal numbers. The words we use to tell the place or order in a row or things are called ordinal numbers. जब हम लोग numbers count करते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, उसे हम cardinal numbers कहते हैं. लेकिन जब हम order में जैसे कि फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ ऐसे हम काउंट करेंगे तो उसे कहते हैं ordinal number. Okay students, so we have completed this lesson. Thank you for paying attention. We will meet in our next lecture. Thank you. Take care. Bye all of you.